Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add products in WordPress WooCommerce. If you're running an online store, knowing how to properly add and configure your products is essential for getting your business up and running smoothly. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the correct credentials associated with your WooCommerce store. Logging in will give you access to your WordPress dashboard where all your store management tools live. Now that you're logged in, look at the left navigation menu. You'll need to click on Products. When you do this, an expanded menu will appear showing you several options related to product management. From these options, click on All Products. This will take you to a page displaying your complete product inventory. On the Products page, you'll see a list of all the products currently available in your WooCommerce account. This is your central hub for managing everything in your store. To add a new product, look toward the top of this page and click on Add New Product. This button is usually quite prominent and easy to spot. You'll now be directed to the product overview page, which is where the magic happens. Start by entering your product name at the very top. This should be clear and descriptive so customers know exactly what they're looking at. Next, scroll down and you'll find the product description section. This is where you can add detailed information about your item, highlighting its features and benefits. If you want to make your product more visually appealing, click on Add Media to upload images. High-quality images can significantly improve your conversion rates. Continue scrolling down, and you'll come across the Product Data section. On the left side menu, you'll see several tabs that help you configure different aspects of your product. Click on the General tab first to add your pricing information. This is crucial as it determines what customers will pay. Next, move to the Inventory tab where you can add SKU numbers and manage your stock levels. Keeping track of inventory helps prevent overselling. Then check the Shipping tab to add important details like weight and dimensions, which are necessary for calculating shipping costs accurately. Finally, explore the Attributes tab where you can add specific characteristics of your product, such as size, color, or material. Now shift your attention to the right side panel. Here you'll find additional options to enhance your product listing. You can add a featured product image that will be the main visual representation of your item. If your product has multiple variations or angles, use the Product Gallery option to upload several images. You should also add relevant categories and tags to help customers find your product more easily through search and filtering. Some stores even have the option to add product brands here, which can build trust with shoppers. Once you've filled in all the necessary information and your product is ready to go live, scroll back up to the top of the page, look for the Publish button and click it. This will make your product visible on your store for customers to purchase. And that's it. You've successfully added a product to your WordPress WooCommerce store. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.